Hi guys, today we're gonna draw Goku step by step in an easy way. First we start drawing two lines. That line's gonna help us to add the element of the face. The distance between both eyes is a half of eyes. For drawing all the Goku, we have to use lines, shapes, circle, ovals. That is it. If you use shapes, drawing gonna be easy. The nose is like a triangle, and the mouth is near to the nose. Now it's time to the Goku face, and for that we have to use lines. Pay attention in the shape that you use to drawing, cause that's gonna help you a lot. When you feel comfy about the face, it's time to the ears. In this case, Dragon Ball characters' ears is huge, really huge. Now it's time to the most important element of Goku, that is the lock of hair. Pay attention about the hair. In my opinion, that is the most important thing in Dragon Ball characters. Of course, if you are Nappa, I don't think the same. Okay, and Krillin, Piccolo, okay, you got it. Let's continue drawing the neck. The neck is so muscular, it's too stronger. Now pay attention about the lock of hair, because it's important. Too important. I think you got it. Too important. Okay. The first one was a little small, the second was a little huge. To start drawing the Goku hair, is important that you start with this part. Now, let's continue in the left. The third one, and this last one, connect with the little circle. Yes. And now, the right. And now it's time to add the details. So, let's start.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life.